The light at the end of the tunnel is in fact the exit. It's not just a train hurtling your way. But you're only wondering that because currently, if you don't change anything, it will be a train hurtling your way. For a metaphor, if you have a job site and majority of it's going well, I mean, everything here looks pretty good. There's 95% of it is operating correctly. You can get tripped up immediately by that last 5%. If you have a structural wall, something pivotal to your business, I'm gonna try to keep the metaphor on the rails here. And then there's one load-bearing wall, load-bearing beam, and it's just completely not making contact. You have missed the mark. It might look good from an outside perspective, but when you go through and you just granular level go through every single piece of the main structure of your business, your foundation, your house, then you can go, oh, this could be a problem later. Necessarily, it might not be right this second, but if we have a crack that's starting here and it goes through the entirety of the board all the way to the top, we really should have just replaced this board. But if you get drywall over it, you get it painted, you get all this finish work done, and you're trying to put lipstick on a pig, you're still going to inevitably have to rip it out. Some inspector's going to come along, some competitor's going to come along, point out your flaws, and use that to their advantage to drive their narrative, their goals, their initiative. Anything that is half-assed, your competitors will take advantage of that. But you can do the exact same thing. You can take any mistakes you have or a competitor has, and with clarity and certainty of knowing exactly how to rip this thing around, turn it into your benefit, that's what's going to set you apart. Because now you can take something that, okay, say we fix this. Oh boy, it's even worse under here. I can fit my whole finger. Say we got this. Maybe a competitor can make it a point to show just how good they are at not having any of those issues. Or say you had this mistake and you are the company that is doing this. Get in front of it. Reach out to the inspector. Hey, Mr. Inspector. Hey, client. Here's a common mistake. Here's how we fix it, because we don't stand for that. And even a mistake you make, a bad review you get, you can actually turn it into your own benefit. You can turn it into an advantage because the other competitors are not doing that. The inspectors are used to being the ones having to go point these things out. It's really throws them for a loop if you're the one to go, hey, we fucked this up, but we're owning it, because we don't try to get away with fucking things up. We don't try to fuck over our clients. We do better than our competitors. The metaphor is getting loose, I know, but if you can consistently figure out what problems you have, what problems your clients have, what problems your competitors have, and position yourself as the solution to those problems, that's going to put you in a category of one and completely set you apart from any other business. And you will immediately, because you know what the problems are, you know what your solutions have been, you know what your problems, their problems, you know all these things already. If in one session with a good coach, you don't immediately feel like, holy shit, I can be in a category of one with my knowledge, then something is wrong there. If you are good at what you do, there is zero reason why a coach can't give you that clarity in one session. And I don't mean just, I feel good about myself, so I'm probably gonna be able to make this happen, yay. I mean, leave the session and you immediately know step one, and you are 100% confident that if you follow through and you don't wait for someone else to handhold you and do it for you, you will get the result.